We'll guide you through how to fix iPhone contacts having disappeared or gone missing. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying as you then can't go and find the number of somebody or their email and get in contact with them. So to go and get started, come into the Contacts app and make sure you have got the right list selected. You can press list selected in the top left and see the different options. You can see I've just got all iPhone here. So the next thing we can try doing is coming out of our contacts and opening up our settings. Come to the top and tap on your name. And what you want to do is scroll down and find iCloud and tap there. Then tap on Save to iCloud and you can scroll down and find the option for contacts. And what you want to do is go and switch that on. This will then go and sync your iCloud contacts onto your iPhone, as they may be the contacts and they were just turned off in here. Now, if we return to the Contacts app, they should then go and start loading, as you can see. So if that solved the problem, then great. However, if it still hasn't, you want to come back to your settings like so, come back to the main settings page and scroll to the bottom and find apps. And you then want to go and scroll down and find M for mail and tap there. Then tap mail accounts and you want to go and tap on your email account here. Mine's Gmail, and I can switch on contacts here. This will sync my Gmail contacts onto my iPhone. Then we can return to the Contacts app. If I go and press the back button in the top left, we can go and see the different lists here. So I can select all at the top or just Gmail or iCloud, and we can see them here.